Having trouble with duplicate ownership for a directory? In this video, I'll show you 4 effective ways to change it and regain control of your files. Stay tuned to fix this Windows 11 issue quickly and easily. Mount your Windows 11 installation media, either USB or ISO DVD. Press the Windows key plus S, type CMD, and select Run as Administrator under Command Prompt. Now, type the commands. Replace X in the third command with the drive letter of the ISO drive below, and hit Enter after each. DISM/online/cleanupimage/check health DISM/online/cleanupimage/scan health DISM/online/cleanupimage/restore health sourced awimx sources install.wim 1/limit access. Remember to wait for one command to finish running before running another. After the last command finishes, type the command below and hit Enter, sfc/scano. Then finally, wait for the command to finish running and restart your PC. Press the Windows key plus X and select the Windows PowerShell admin option. Type the command below and hit Enter to run it. Finally, wait for the command to finish running. Press the Windows key plus I to open the Settings app and select Update and Security. Select the Recovery option in the left pane and click the Get Started button under the Reset This PC section. Finally, select the Keep My Files option and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process. If everything fails, you might have to reinstall Windows 11. This is because the problem might have gotten deep into your system files. Performing a clean installation of your OS should give you a new version of Windows 11. With this, we can conclude this guide on fixing duplicate ownership for directory errors. You might have to contact the Microsoft support team for more guidance on this error. If you are facing the file or directory is corrupted and unreadable error, check our detailed guide to fix it quickly. In the comments below, let us know the solution that helped you fix this issue. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.